my god. Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
What's okay, gang, Rocker family? I am back with another video. In today's video, as you guys can see from the title, is going to be a room transformation. Like, this whole room is gonna be demolished. Like, thank you, God. Anyways, a little bit about the background of my room, because I got to see from the intro, she was looking busted crusted the rest of it. But basically, me and my little sister share a room, which I don't mind. But you know, your girl's grown. Your girl grown. So. But before I get into the video, don't forget to follow all my social medias. They'll be in the description box down below. Don't forget to comment #CareGang to get a shout out in my next video. Today's video shout goes to these people right here. So yeah, if you have a video shout out in my next video, don't forget to comment #CareGang. So let's get into the video that way. So I'm going to show you guys the orders that we had already placed that should be coming in next week or in about 2 weeks or so. So the first thing is a chest piece so that my sister could put her clothing in. The second are just two twins of the same exact like gray type bed. And let me tell you guys, it's so not worth it. It came like a month later. I don't even know what was going on. And the mattresses. So yeah. So here, now that we're done talking about what we purchased, here are my list that I want to purchase this week or like the following weeks, or what we want to get done before the beds actually arrive and before we have our furniture come in, because we already got I don't know what you call it, we already got 2 of this and we already got a dresser. So we got that's already done and accomplished. But here is the list of what we should be getting done or what should be getting accomplished during this room transformation. So for the bucket list, we need a vanity mirror, so that's actually to put on top of the desk. White and gray curtains, because that's the theme of our room, white and gray. Also paint, because we need to paint our room, and also the desk like I had mentioned. Twin bed sheet covers, we're not really sure what color we're going to go for, because we don't know if we want to match the room. A lamp, because our room has no lights, like the lamp, like this is busted, this doesn't work. The lights here don't work, so that's why we have a large lamp that just it's so big and overpowering, so we just want a small little lamp that could just, you know, make us see in the dark. So I hope you guys are here for the journey of my new room for me and my sister, who doesn't want to be on camera right now, and everything will just come together. Alright you guys, so we're on the second day of our room transformations, and right now we're gonna go buy some paint. I was gonna go to like Home Depot, but my dad said he got the plug, so I'm here with him and we're gonna see the paint. Here is the mattress, like both of the mattresses are arriving today. So yeah, today is going to be quite an eventful day. Right now we're just at the gas station chilling. I'll put some gas and then we're gonna go buy the paint. So we need white paint for the room, gray paint for the room as well, and a paint for the desk.
Hey guys.
No, don't do that because you got
Never mind.
So I got the white paint from like this local like painting store. Well, actually not a painting store, it's like a hardware store, whatever. So I got 3 cans of this Krylon chalk finish slate. It's like in this like gray color. And so I guess you don't have to like sand it or whatever. And then here I got the metallic, like a metallic color, and then this one's like a clear because I don't want it to be like so chalky, like dull. So I just got this clear one to go over it, and then the metallic is for like the pans, like the hinges or whatever. So yeah. What's up guys, so we're on another day, the next day of our room transformation. Right now we're gonna go buy some like decor and like a mirror for my vanity and just stuff to like put the room together, curtains and you know, stuff to make the room good. Also, I'm sorry if this video is like all over the place, like one day you see me here, one day you see me there and stuff like that. My apologies for that, but sit in tight. This transformation is a long one. We just find out like the chest piece that goes like you can organize your clothes and stuff is coming next week on Wednesday. Tomorrow we should be painting. Maybe later today we'll take the rest of the stuff out. We don't really know. So yeah, this is literally just like day by day we just find new stuff to do with our room. Hey Siri, pause the music. She ain't pause it. Wow, I haven't talked to you guys at all. What a trashy YouTuber I am. But my dad just added the panels. Cute, cute. The trim. We're not done yet. Alright you guys, so let me show you guys the room real quick, little overview or whatever, because I've been off camera for a lot. So let me just rewind and show you guys why I haven't been recording. This is the gray desk that we had just painted. The chair and the trash can are both from Ross. This is a very old dresser from a guest room non-occupado at the moment. And here, the beds look very much ice cream sandwich, but both of the white curtains are also from Ross. So. And we're thinking for bedsheet covers to actually match like this type of color of blush pink, which is just like a candle that we have. So y'all just stay tuned for the process. It is not done and over with. Also, if you guys have not noticed, this is actually a lamp that we just found and we spray painted it silver and it just looks so much better.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Okay, so it just delivered today, you guys. Like, look, it's June and 3 weeks. So this is the one that we have found.
So it has a twin piece sheet, twin three-piece sheet set. Comes with one flat sheet, one filled sheet, and that. And then we want it with this quilt, twin. And yeah,
That's about it. Oh, we're at this store. My mom found it.
old time pottery.
Yeah.
Here's the second. Okay, hold yours. Twin.
So we're just moving the mattress and stuff and the box frame or whatever. And look what just arrived. Our beds had arrived, so she's gonna set hers up first, and I'm gonna just follow along. Guys, like, look at the room. Like, we did that. We just finished putting on our bed sheets and stuff. Basically, the only thing we really need next that my dad, he promised that we're gonna order next week, is just like my mirror for my like little station I have over there to do my makeup and stuff. And then we're gonna add like LED lights around here, just like on this side, not around the whole room. I feel like it'll just look cute like on one wall. And then yeah, we'll finally be done with the room transformation.